Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make TV in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one is a fire. And then once you have fire, you want to add earth right here. And then you want to add a wind into earth to create dust. And then once you have dust, you want to go for earth right here, add it with dust to create planet. And then once you have planet, you want to add fire into the planet to create sun. And then once you have the sun, then you can go for fire and add it to sun to create solar. And then once you have solar, you would need to go for another planet right here and combine it so that you would have system. And then add fire into the system to create computer. And then once you have computer, you would need dust and then combine it with another dust to create sand. And then you want to go for fire and combine it with sand to create glass. And then once you have glass, combine it with computer, you would have screen. And then once you have screen, add another screen. And then there you have it. You now have TV.